Alrighty, I got something new and different for you. Take a look at this. You know, you've got these wonderful pull-out drawers, but you've got these great big studs sticking out in here, and I thought about just cutting that off, but I decided not to. So if you put a wrench on that, and it's a 19mm wrench, then I've got the solution for you. This little fella right here will go right, see, it's shaped like a nut, and it fits right over it and pushes on like that. You don't have to glue it, you don't have to do anything. Now you've got this nice rounded edge. You won't cut your fingers, you won't slice into your boxes. So much nicer. That made a good, smooth, good looking surface there. If you ever need to take it off and work on it, you just grab it, wiggle it, give it a pull, it comes right off. This is my design. I 3D print these and sell them in a 4-pack because it takes 4 to go around. That's it.